So what I've done is I just made a little impromptu bus bar there, which is put them all in parallel, and same on this side. And the way I do it is I always do it opposite corners, because then if there is some kind of resistance it tends to cancel it out. Not that much, but it tends to cancel it out. And the power pack's running at 2 amps. Could probably get it. I mean, what I really want is, maybe like, there's, how many is there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. Okay, so 5.5 amps would be 500 milliamps each. Now at the moment it's charging constant current, but some of those are going to be lower voltage than others, so basically charge is probably going to be exchanging between them a little bit. So what I might do is put this up now. Let's put it up to that's down. If I can put it up to, say, 3, and then that's roughly 300 milliamps each pack, isn't it? Maybe more. Get up to 4. Oh, that's my maximum. Power pack limited to 3.2. That's fine. And the voltage is capped at 8.2. So I can now leave those, right? And like in some time in the future, you'll see the current drop. I guess. But what it's doing now is it's bringing them all up to 8.2 volts. I don't know what the charge voltage is. I better research it now, because I'm going to be trashing them if I'm not. I'm pretty sure 8.2 volts isn't too bad for these, but I'll check it now.